welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. The drawing that I'm doing today is a fluffy white animal with very long ears. Can you guess what it is? Well, let me tell you, it is a bunny. It's a bunny with lots of carrots surrounding it. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by coloring or drawing in my rabbit first before I get to my cute little carrots that you'll see later on. Starting off with the bunny's ears, there's one ear and there's the other ear. It's almost like an oval but not quite complete on the bottom. For your drawing, you may choose to deviate or change it up so it's a little bit different from mine. Here is the rest of the bunny's face, just a big round circle connecting the two sides of the ear. For the bunny's eyes, I'm going to do a larger circle with a smaller circle inside and then coloring in the gap in between with my black marker. If you would like, you can feel free to use like other color markers to color in the inside gap for the eye, which is the pupil for the bunny. Here is the mouth for the bunny. It's like the alphabet W. And then here are the bunny's hands. It's like U's. And I'm just going to connect it to the head. So this is the rest of the bunny's body. If you like, you can make the bunny ears a little bit longer, or it could be like floppy on one side. So feel free to use your own imagination and change it up to something you think would fit your story for your bunny a little bit more. Here I'm just drawing in the carrots. These round semicircles is like the dirt that like the carrots are buried under. And then I'm going to draw these leaves that are stemming from the top of the carrots. We know that bunnies like their carrots. If you would like, you can do a couple more of these carrots in the background, some big, some small, and then we're gonna draw some like facial features, so some eyes and nose and maybe a smiley face for some of them. It'll be fun to have them in all different types of expression. So here I'm gonna draw in the carrot, the face. So basically I'm doing two dots and a U in the middle. If you would like and change up the facial expression, it could be a carrot that's really frustrated with the situation, or really sad, or really happy and surprised. So you can have different expressions for your carrots. From here, I'm gonna start drawing in maybe some dirt on the side beside the rabbit as well. So they're probably in a garden. That is the story that I'm gonna go with for my drawing. I really love telling stories with my artwork because I think it makes this drawing a little bit unique and easier for you to decide what to draw for the background or accessories for the characters. Using my brown marker, I'm now gonna color in like the dirt that is around the carrot and also on the feet of the rabbit. From here, you can use your imagination if you want to color in the rest of the garden and draw in the garden. That is an option as well. I won't have time for this video, but like if you're drawing in the rest of the garden, you can think about like what kind of fruits or vegetables are they growing outside of the garden, or like maybe what color is the sky. Maybe it is the sunset that's in the background, so you can do different shades of colors for the sky, or it can just be a bright blue sky. So here you can see I'm going to start using my lime green to color in the leaf that is sprouting from the top of my carrot. You can actually use different shades or different types of greens and combination of green for the little leaf on the top as well. Next, of course, I have to color in my carrots themselves as well as my bunny ears. I'm going to use a bit of pink here, just a small oval to color in the inner of the rabbit's ear. It's looking pretty cute so far. I'm pretty excited about it. For my rabbit, I'm probably going to leave it white, but it's up to you. You can use orange for your rabbit. You can have a yellow rabbit, you can have a blue rabbit, you can have different shades of colors for your rabbit as well. Using the pink, I'm adding a bit of blush to the rabbit's cheek. And then you can also use the pink to add on other accessories like a bow or a hat or other things that you think will look nice on the rabbit and make it look a little bit more unique. You can also use that pink to color in the nose of the rabbit if you're interested. Now, don't forget to use the orange to color in the carrots, but we know that carrots don't just come in one shade of color. There are different color carrots as well, so you can color in with different colors that you like. So I'm almost just about done here. Keep in mind that if you don't like the drawing and it doesn't work out the first time, it's okay. It's good to practice. It may not look out to be exactly perfect the way you like it, but you can always go back and try again. Even for me to get to this stage, it does take me a lot of practice before I can fluently kind of draw in what I would like for my characters and also for my various animals. So it does take a lot of practice to get to exactly how you would like it. So don't be upset or don't let it disappoint you. It is just a process, and I hope you enjoy drawing art. I'm also going to use this yellow marker to add some stars on the side because I figure maybe the stars will reflect on how happy the rabbit is to be in a garden full of carrots. And that's it for my drawing. Feel free to comment below if you have other drawings of animals you would like to see in the future. But that's it for this bunny and carrot drawing. Thank you so much for joining me on this step-by-step drawing. Hopefully I'll see you next time in future videos. If you like the videos on this channel, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. It'll really help a lot. Well, that's it for now. Hopefully I will see you in future videos. Stay safe and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.